No one can imagine the beauty of the view, but scenes so lovely must have been gazed upon by angels in their flight. With these words, David Livingstone first brought this great waterfall to the attention of the world. In the heart of southern Africa lies a natural wonder of such beauty that its name is known worldwide, the Victoria Falls. From the ground, they are impossible to comprehend. Only from the air can they be seen and appreciated in their entirety. Welcome to your flight of angels.
Check my social media, yeah.
To see who loves me online.
Hashtag blessed life. Time to post a pic with an inspirational quote.
It's deep and we'll get lost.
No Wi-Fi.
Oh no, I'll die.
Where's my phone?
It gives me life.
Eating ramen here in my pajamas. Eating ramen here in my pajamas. Logging on to see all of my followers. Instagram, my Java on the saucer. There's my mama ranting about Obama. In all caps and proper use of commas. To be honest, I feel for the Amish. They can find a tweet or Facebook comment.
Magandang umaga rin.
Yes.
How are you?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Any comments about the flight?
I'm excited and then I feel so lucky to be here.
Sure. Enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Yes, it's my first time to fly, to ride
All right.
helicopter, so I am so excited.
Thank you.
First time also.
All right.
Hopefully it's going to be a great view from Victoria Falls.
All right. Sir?
Also my first time to ride a helicopter. Excited to see the Victoria Falls from up there in the sky.
Okay.
Yes, I'm glad to be here. Of course, this ride will be exciting.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your comments. Enjoy the flight.
Hello, hi.
Thank you.
Excited. Hi, I'm from the Philippines. Excited to ride your helicopter. Okay, bye.
Thank you. About the flight?
Yes. This one still didn't fly. I wanted to fly to see the Victoria Falls. That's the main thing we come here. The most important.
Yes. Yes.
We both are very excited
Yeah, of course.
to check out the Victoria Falls from the sky. Because when we went to Victoria Falls for a trek, we haven't seen any falls, only mist.
Yeah, that was a good idea, guys, to decide to fly.
Yes.
Now you're going to see
Like the entire 360 degrees.
Yeah, exactly.
No block. Perfect view.
And this is the first time I will ride the helicopter.
First time.
First time.
Yeah.
Always in the plane, but not in the helicopter.
not in the helicopter.
Yeah, excited.
Because helicopters always sometimes
Very
for soldier.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Two others.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Say something. What's your view?
I'm about to ride the Zambezi helicopters, and I'm excited to ride the helicopter because this is one of a kind experience in Victoria Falls. The Victoria Falls is one of the best falls in the world. It's one of the big three. And
One of the
so happy.
7 wonders of the world. Yes.
and guys, see you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
That was my charger. It's the virtual life, and it fools us all. We compare. Had to pause from looking at a flower just to snap a pic of nature's power. Composition filter caption hour. Share the sacred moment took an hour. My Madonna in Atlanta. On my phone all night, I never saw her. Yeah, your BuzzFeed list on Harry Potter. Oh my God, my phone is out of power. Where's my charger, dear God, where's my charger? It's the virtual life, and it fools us so.
The Zambezi, one of Africa's great rivers, flows widely over basalt rock and through Kalahari sands. Nearly halfway along its epic journey from source to sea, the river is broad and wide. Annual rains bring life to the dry bush and swell the river. The deep water channel marks the border between Zimbabwe to the south and Zambia to the north. Islands scatter the surface, offering safe sanctuaries for the wealth of wildlife that live along its margins. Suddenly, without warning, the Zambezi disappears. Its waters swallowed up into the depths of the Victoria Falls. Clouds of billowing spray are forced upwards, rising up to 900 meters into the air before falling as rain. Nearly 2 kilometers wide, the falls form the widest and largest sheet of falling water in the world. At the western end, the statue of David Livingstone overlooks the Devil's Cataract, with a 62-meter cascade onto the rocks below. Cataract Island is the first of 2 islands which break the line of the falls. It is followed by the main falls, one of the most picturesque sections of the waterfall, and which carries a substantial volume of water all year round. Next is Livingstone Island, named after the missionary and explorer, and it was here that he first saw them in 1855, describing it as the most wonderful sight I had witnessed in Africa. From Livingstone Island to the Eastern Cataract runs the longest stretch of unbroken fall line. It is along this section that the falls are at their deepest, plummeting 108 meters. During the low water season, they become almost completely dry of water, exposing the bare rock of the gorge. At high water, huge volumes of water tumble into the void. Opposite, the river escapes downstream through a narrow gap, rushing into the boiling pot, and on under the Victoria Falls Bridge. It was Cecil Rhodes who dreamt of a bridge across the Zambezi, where the trains as they pass will catch the spray of the falls. Opened in 1905, the bridge was hailed as a man-made engineering wonder to rival the natural beauty of the falls themselves. Today, the bridge is one of the region's most famous landmarks and surely one of the most spectacular locations to bungee jump. Below the bridge, the river races on through the Batoka Gorge. Its waters trapped within the narrow walls of rock which run for some 120 kilometers downstream. Overlooking the gorge is the historic Victoria Falls Hotel, one of the first buildings on the south side of the river and the beginnings of the small tourist town of Victoria Falls.
Everyone see them?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching the helipad. Let me again take this opportunity to thank you very much for flying with us, and enjoy the rest of your holiday. Thank you.